guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time we have another fantastic set of shoes from our friends at Vratim. I love their shoes. They are a musician focused brand. So if you are a drummer, these are the shoes for you to tour, to play, to record. I'm a guitar player. I'm nowhere near a professional level, but I love to have these shoes on stage whenever I'm playing. So I do enjoy the brand, and I know them for a long time now. I did some of their photos back in the day. I've done some promotionals and collaborations, and have my old shoes still in my closet, and I love them. And I was really excited when they told me, hey, we got the new shoe coming out very soon. We'll send you a set. This was back in January during my birthday. That's when we spoke. They've been amazing. Can't really complain, you know. Anyways, let's open this baby up. Here we go. So we do have two boxes. Let's start with this one. Let me put this one away. And as usual, we'll inspect the box. The first print that we see are in the top and the front sides of the box. We have the triangle logo from Vratim. Let's check the back. We have their website, vratim.com. We have the other side with the logo and the name. The other side has logo, name, and description tag. Very bottom has nothing. And that's it. And see what's inside. Alright. Booyah. Oh snap. Look at this beauty. Okay. It's a recyclable box. I just want to point that out. We got a black mesh shoe with some accents with leather. This is the sole. Okay. Cool. Nice. We got logos here, and inside the shoe. I like it. This here. So this is more like a sneaker, like walking shoe, comfy look. They went on a different route this time. I mean, I'll have to put them on, but the inside, they feel quite comfy. It might be memory foam. It's like at least a good thick layer of foam. So but this is what we got. I like them. Let me show you this side view, frontal view, other side, bottom, top. Alright, I just wanted to showcase that. Alright, once again, same box. Let's open it up. And we got, woo-wee! Look at this. Alright, so this is the update version. It's close to the old design. The sole itself is thicker now. The top has a very reminiscent look from the original one. Different laces. This is a more of a all black color. The accent leather is a black as well this time. More of a black and white look for this version. We went from the triangles to hexagons. To be honest, I really love the triangle because it's more reminiscent of their logo. I'll show you that closer. So I love the triangle. It feels really comfortable, to be honest. I love the look. This I'm excited. It's a shame that I'm not gonna be wearing them soon because I do have to take photos with them. But oh god, this look amazing. Once again, I like this better than the one I just saw. I don't know, I'm a sucker for this look, man. The design they have here and the previous one is just amazing. I'm a big fan of that. I'm a big fan of this too. This is the other one. Alright, so we got side view, bottom, top, front, and the back. I like it. Ooh, I really like them. Alright, well, we got these two awesome new shoes. I think they look fantastic. Once again, I am hopefully launching some of my music by next year, and music videos are gonna have these shoes on them for sure. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you Vratim for thinking about me. I'll be more than happy to take photos of these amazing shoes. I'm a big fan of the brand. I always been. But yeah, big shout out to Vratim and their products. They're amazing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Let me know down below, what do you think? Have you tried any of these shoes before? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Javier Morales, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.